Hey everyone. Welcome back to Lul Auto Garage. If you're into car tech and engine performance, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about a small but incredibly important part of your car's engine, the knock sensor. What is it, how does it work, and why does your engine need it? Let's dive right in. What is a knock sensor? So, let's start with the basics. A knock sensor is a small device mounted on the engine block, cylinder head, or intake manifold. Its job: to listen for knocking or pinging sounds in your engine. This happens when fuel doesn't burn quite right in the cylinder, creating a shock wave that sounds like a knock. And trust me, that's a sound you don't want to hear. Why knocking is a problem? Why is knocking such a big deal? Well, when fuel burns unevenly, it creates mini explosions inside the cylinder, which can damage parts of the engine over time, especially pistons, cylinder walls, and even spark plugs. So, knocking isn't just annoying, it can actually harm your engine's health. How the knock sensor works. Now, here's where the knock sensor comes in. It's usually made with a piezoelectric element, which is fancy talk for a crystal that generates voltage when it senses vibrations. The knock sensor picks up these vibrations and sends a signal to your car's ECU, the engine control unit. The ECU then adjusts things like ignition timing and fuel mixture to get rid of the knocking, helping your engine run smoothly. Benefits of a knock sensor. Alright, so why is this sensor so important? First, it protects your engine from damage by preventing continuous knocking. Second, it helps improve your fuel efficiency, because when the engine's timing is perfect, it burns fuel more effectively. And lastly, a knock sensor keeps your car performing at its best, so you get the power you need without the damage you don't. Signs of a failing knock sensor. So, what happens if your knock sensor goes bad? You might notice a few things, like reduced fuel efficiency, loss of engine power, or even a check engine light on your dash. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, it might be time to get your knock sensor checked out. Wrap up, and that's the rundown on knock sensors. They're small, but they play a big role in keeping your engine safe and performing at its best. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more car tech insights. Let me know in the comments if there's anything else you're curious about, or if you have any questions.